That's over 300K in revenue from the first full month of this store. And it's all about product research. Guys, I'm gonna go through one of my favorite product research methods, and I'm sure as hell I'm gonna find y'all some great products that you can sell, because product research is the backbone to a store that generates this kind of revenue. Y'all need to check this out and dig right in. What's good, YouTube? My name is Narek Chill, and I drop videos on e-commerce every single day, bringing you guys some serious tips and tricks on Shopify, how to scale your business, or even how to start it. So if you're interested in that, definitely subscribe, and I'll be pumping out some serious good content every single day for you guys. So before we jump into this video and I show you some banger products, I'm gonna go over the winner of the last video's free 30-minute consulting call giveaway. And that winner is Matteo Minotti. Hit me up on IG, my IG's in the description, and we'll schedule a call together as soon as we can get each other's schedule together. All right, if you're interested in being one of these winners, definitely just drop a comment down below, like and subscribe, and I'm gonna pick at random with a random generator online who the winner is. So drop a comment and I got you guys. All right, guys, we're gonna jump right into my computer and I'm gonna show you one of my favorite product research methods, and it's the most simple one yet. On Facebook, on your feed, just like 2017, the same way it's been done for years. It's one of the best product research methods still. So all you need is an app like this, Product Mafia Ad Hunter 2.0. It's free. You turn it on and you just run through your feed and it'll only show you advertisements. So we're gonna go through my feed now and I'm gonna try to find some banger ads for some good products. So let's see, the first one is. All right, this is just a cat toy. It's too small. It's not really worth much. You can't really sell it for more than 30 bucks. You want to sell it for something for at least 40 bucks. This product has been like saturated the heck out of. You don't want to go for that. This is not for drop shipping. Perfect Valentine's Day gift. Valentine's Day is over already. However, you can still do some romantic stuff. Romance stores are great. No, I mean, it's not really a drop shipping product. No, this product's kind of BS. It's been around for a while. Right, this is just art. You can definitely run stores like this where it's so simple. All you need to do is just use advertisements with with like blanks, and then you just change the images to test different images that you want to see which was performing best. All right, let's move on. What's this? This looks like a branded product. It is, but let me see how branded it is. Okay, yeah, you don't really want to compete with this, and I mean, you know, they're completely branded, and also the margins wouldn't really be there for you when you're just starting off. They definitely have good margins now because they're branded so well. 3D realistic, okay, that's kind of cool, but oh wow, it has a lot of reactions. Not a great comment to like ratio, but let's take a look. Okay, so this whole store is that, right? So it's just, this is their concept, and they definitely have some great returning customers just from this store. And you know, it's a good niche to be in. It's an interesting one. Be a fun guy with a mushroom-shaped beer glass. That's awesome. Okay, that's a really nice, short and sweet little GIF kind of ad. All right, profit's not there, right? Even if you can't sell for more than 30, 40 bucks. This has been going on for a while. I actually tested this and it did pretty good, but not good enough for me. Yeah, because, you know, the margins aren't really going to be there. You know, it's going to be kind of tough. So they're probably shipping it with like a very slow shipping line to even make kind of money from this. So it's not worth it. This product we saw before, it has potential. And it has potential because this website is garbage. That's why, like, it doesn't even send you to the product page. It sends you here. And, you know, it's just like a basic cookie cutter kind of look with all these emojis and text, and not a good lander. Definitely can take this product and improve on it. It has potential to sell for even closer to 100 bucks. It looks like a high perceived product, and you can get this for about 20 bucks, 25 bucks shipped. So it's an awesome product. Okay. Well, this is cool. You can definitely test out cloaks. Okay, that's awesome. A lot of people are into this kind of stuff. Whoa, that's hella expensive. Oh my God, their website is clean. I love the way their add to cart button looks. It's an awesome page. Great reviews. The way their reviews are set up, it's awesome. I think it's Judge Me Reviews is the application. It's a pretty cool website. You could definitely learn from these guys. Check them out. Awesome, awesome stuff. Their margins must be crazy. Okay, let's move on. Okay, that's actually awesome too. Again, you know, these are custom products. These are products that you'd have to not be a beginner to test, honestly. Hand carved skull. Whoa. This is just a cool product, right? This is easy to market because, like, look at this thing. This is badass. This is definitely also a branded website. Oh my god, these things are awesome. If you're into Satanism, check it out, guys. Let's see this. Okay, yeah, this is my childhood right here, and it's still selling like crazy. Oh my god. 17,000 reactions, 2,000 comments, almost 6,000 shares. That is awesome. Yeah, the margins on this are also great. This is another good product that you can check out. But again, you know, like, look at their branding. This is Gem Pages, page builder, and they did a great job branding this site. It looks awesome. It looks clean as crap. I mean, good stuff. Good stuff. I wouldn't go into this if you're a beginner. It'd be hard to compete with these guys. Okay, this is actually kind of cool. This is also dope. I've seen a lot of home gym products, fitness products. Okay, this is branded. Sorry, ignore it. It's branded. You can't dropship that. Okay, this has been around for decades. This is bull. This is BS. Okay, what else? Let's see. Dude, I'm zooming. Literally like a kid. All right, that's another. You don't want to get into liquid products. You don't want to get into edibles, especially as a beginner. Okay, nope. Actually, you could test these. You could have I do have a luxury home goods store that does test duvet covers as well. They sell with crazy margins. I've got stuff that cost me $70 selling it for $250, and just sells, man. You know, people want to buy some luxury stuff. If the product is quality, you can definitely sell this kind of stuff. Look at this. Look at these prices. They're getting this for about at least maximum $150 for these, and they're selling it for a ton. So good for them. I would check out their, if you're into this kind of stuff, check out their Facebook right here and see what's up, what their advertisements look like. Okay. This product's been around for a while. You could still test this. I mean, honestly, the market for this product is pretty big. You could still test it. And I mean, the profit margin's about $30-$35, so it's great. It looks like a high perceived product. But again, you know, it's been around for a while, so it'd be kind of tough. Okay, these are all ideas, guys. All of these are just ideas for you to like use your head to brainstorm, get creative with. This is a high ticket product. They're probably selling this for a ton of cash, and their advertisement is not that great, but they've got a lot of likes, which leads me to think this actually might be a winning product that just needs to have some good backing. Awesome. Let's check out real quick. I've definitely seen this on AliExpress. Let's check out what this product costs. Waterfall shower. Yeah, right here. Okay, so you could probably get this shipped out for about $150. Let's see. It's got good reviews. Okay. This is a high ticket product. Oh. And it's in the US. Damn, I shouldn't have shown you guys this. Damn, okay. Well, there you go. It's Chinese New Year's. You could definitely test with this product already. That's sick. Okay. It's Chinese New Year's. You can't ship from China. You gotta ship from somewhere else. You can test this product right now, and I might just do that too. So I'm not afraid of competition. Y'all can go for it. I'll probably start a whole store just from this, and I'll have my people make the store, and I don't gotta worry about a damn thing. That's awesome. I'm actually gonna save this, and that's what you should do as well when you're going through products. You want to save the videos of the products that you think are winners. So that's one winning product for you guys right there. Honestly, I've already went through a few winning products if you haven't caught on yet, but let's find a couple more. Okay, so what, this is just safe storage, secure storage. It's got 16,000 reactions. It's a ton of reactions right there. All right, it's Gem Pages. Website's kind of all right. That's hella expensive. Winning product. It's a winning product. It doesn't look like it, but it's got a ton of reactions, so it's definitely a winning product. And the margins on this must be crazy. Let me just quickly check how long they've been running ads for. Since February of last year. See how many ads they're running. Damn. That's a winning product. That's a high ticket winning product. I just found you 2 high ticket winning products. This video is now about high ticket winning products. No, seriously, like I'm gonna find you another high ticket winning. Make it 3, even 3. This has been around for ages. What's this? Do you wanna load for me? This is a trash advertisement. All right, I guess this is kind of cool. It's not a high ticket product, but let me just quickly, $49. Yeah, it's actually a nice layout too. Decent. It's just starting off. The comment to like ratio is good for just starting off. It's got good shares too, so you could test that product. I'll throw that in there for you guys as a good testing product. If you could source it for about $25, you could test it. The massager, the foot massager is a good product as well. It's been around for a while, but you could definitely find some space in the market to hop onto this. They've branded this. This website looks awfully familiar. This looks just like another site I've seen, and I think I know what the people who made this. That's very interesting. Okay, so you can see it's $304.99, and you can find products like this for very cheap. Foot massager. No, hold on 1 second. Let me find you the actual foot massager. Rather, foot, let me type leg massager. Or that's one right there, but hold on. Okay, there we go. Let's sort by orders. Okay. Yeah, AliExpress can be kind of annoying sometimes. But you could definitely find this product for about $50 shipped to $75, even $100. And you could certainly charge 3 times the price, 2.5 at least. And I'm more than sure that these guys are making a ton of money off of this, and they have a great page. Honestly, they're doing awesome here. Take from this page, guys. Take from these 3 products that I found you, and just run with it. All right, high ticket products are where it's at. Most of my stores are high ticket. In fact, I think my average order value across all 3 of my stores is a little over $100. And there's a reason for that, because you don't want to play with skinny margins. You want fat, thick margins that Facebook advertisements won't eat up the cost too much. You know, so if your product costs $100, if your cost of goods is $30 or even $40, you're left with $60 profit, and Facebook takes 30, that's okay. You're making $30 per sale, and if your product is a killer product, it's gonna make hundreds of sales per day, even thousands for some products. And you do the math, you know, it's not that hard to get this ball rolling, guys, and you can make some serious dough with dropshipping as a start. And then once you discover it works, you can be like these guys over here, Cloud Massage, and just kill the game with a completely branded store. You know, that's the whole idea. All right, so thank you guys for watching. I'm very grateful for you guys, as always, for liking, commenting, subscribing, and definitely watching until the end. It means the world to me. So please continue to show some support and love. It just helps me keep pushing every day, even when it's tough sometimes. So thank you guys again. And that's it. If you guys have any questions, comments, whatever you want to ask me to help you out, just DM me on Instagram. It's right below. And I also have a link to AdSpy in the description, and my product research criteria will also be in the description. So check it out, y'all. Best of luck, and never, ever, ever give up, y'all. Peace.